How's it going, everybody? OG here. I'm back for another video. It's been a minute since I've made a video, and that's only because that car right there, don't mind the mess, that car right there had a huge AC problem. The hoses were leaking. We had to replace that, condenser problem, all that garbage. But that's all fixed now. I'm gonna go ahead and fix that in a second. One second. Anyways, back to what I was saying. That's all fixed now. Now, I have done some things on the car as I was passing time. So let me go and show you what I've done and what we're about to do. Okay, so as for the car itself, before I did the side panel here, and I went ahead and finished this side panel as well. The door, the complete process, the rear panel, front fenders, all that garbage. And I went ahead and did the front bumper as well. Didn't really think I needed to put that on a video just because it takes so long to do a front back bumper, and I don't want to keep on doing rap videos back to back to back, even though this video is going to be a rap video. But yeah, I'm gonna throw some beats on you, alright? It's gonna be a rap video. Alright, and I did do the rear bumper as well, as you can see here. Black on black's looking good, baby. Yeah, so what took the longest was these little inward concave areas right here. I made separate pieces here before I made the full wrap. Yeah, it took about 6 hours alone just to do this rear bumper. It was a pain in the ass, but it's done. All right, so what do I have left? I have the panels, as you can see here. I have to do the mirrors. I'm gonna re-wrap the vents black again. And as for the headlights, I wanna black out the eyelid here and possibly, so I do have tint here, possibly tint the headlights. Now, if I don't like it, I'm just gonna go ahead and take it off. But we'll see. I really do want the black on black effect, so let's see how that works out. And I do have the rims as well, so I'm gonna have to figure something out about that. All right, let's get to work and let's try to wrap the actual body kit this time. All right, these are the smaller pieces. I did not attach them. I didn't need to. You do have to take the wrap off of these two as well. However, as you can see, the larger panels I have attached to the car. And the reason why I attach the larger pieces is just gonna be easier to wrap if it's attached to something than if it's just loose. The smaller panels doesn't really matter, larger ones does. So we're gonna wrap the larger panels on the car itself, and then the smaller ones here, again, doesn't matter. All right, so as you can see, the screws are still under the wrap. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is wrap as much as I can and then peel this over, take the screw out, wrap over it, then remove the whole thing and tuck the rest of the wrap behind it. So that's essentially how I deal with larger panels. Don't need to make it too complicated because I'm only one person. I don't got no help ever, unfortunately. So now that you know what I'm trying to do, let's get right back to it. Let's go. All right, so let's straighten it out as much as we can. This is gonna be a pain because I can already see this part being extremely wrinkly. So I might need to use a heat gun on this part, just because when you use a heat gun, you tend to stretch it more than the wrap needs to be. And when you stretch it too much, the wrap will start to peel. I don't want it to peel. So I wanna try to use a heat gun as low amount of times as possible. All right, so as you can see, the surface of the body kit is wrapped and the screws are still here. As you can see again, right there, so on and so forth. So now, as the rest of the wrap right here is holding the body kit, I can peel this little portion back, take the screw out, put it back, cover it up, make it nice and neat, then take it off completely and just tuck it over, and that's it. So again, this process here is a lot easier than if I were to put it on the ground or somewhere else. This way is a lot easier. On the body kit, or on the car, ready to go. So let's do that, and let's get to the rest. Okay, so just like that, this screw here came off from right there. So I'm gonna do it to this one here, and this one here as well. And then we're gonna initiate the tucking sensation. Okay, to conserve time, I went ahead and just did it. As you can see, the wrap is holding the body kit in place now, not the screws. Everything is good to go. So first, I'm just gonna go ahead and make a cut here, tuck this in, tuck this part in, possibly even the bottom. Then all that's left is that side. So I could just take the kit off and just wrap it around, make the necessary cuts, and we are good to go for this one. All right, so this is tucked in, this part is tucked in. I just gotta do the back and we are done. All right. The body kit is fully wrapped. It's good to go. Not going to reattach it just yet. I want to finish everything else. And I probably should have cleaned the back before I tucked it in, but it'll be fine. It's still gonna hold. I don't really care. I'm gonna do that for the rest though. I'm not gonna go ahead and show everything. Like I said, I didn't really show everything on this one, but I'm not gonna show too much or any detail really on the other ones. I'm gonna go ahead and do them really quick and then get back to you. All right guys, it's been a second for you guys. It's been quite a minute for me, but I am done with the body kits, so take a look. Well, I guess not the complete body kits. The main pieces, the large pieces, they are done, ready to be put on, ready to go. This part here is a 3-piece, so 1 piece here, this little middle piece right there, and then a bottom. It just makes it easier. And yeah, it took about, I wanna say 2.5, 3 hours. And that's just because I'm trying to be careful, not to mess up and all that garbage. I could go quicker, but whatever, who really cares? All right, now we got these left right here. So as you can see, I got the other pieces left. Now I'm gonna do one of these and show you guys how it's done. It's a lot more simple than just to attach it on the car. Okay, so let me show you my operating table here. All right, so I already have it ready to go. Got the lights for the operating table right there. And yeah, so all I have to do is literally clean this up, peel the wrap, put it on the ground or attach it on the backing side of the wrap. And that's as simple as that, nothing to it. And like I said, I only wanna do one other piece until I actually attach them on the car itself. As always, I tried to make it short, but as always, it's probably not gonna be short. We'll see. Okay, let's get to this one piece. All right, this one is pretty much done. Took about 25-30 minutes. Yeah, looks pretty good. The only thing I gotta do is cut the edges or the part that I have tucked in, and that's it. And just like that, the wrap is completed for this one piece. Now areas like this, I'm gonna have to use a heat gun to really put it down so it doesn't peel over, but it should be fine. All right, almost done with the car completely. Just gotta do the splitters and some other garbage, but let's do the other pieces first. It's gonna be a lot of fun. But like I said, I wanna make this video shorter than the other ones hopefully. So I got a quick new process to actually get all these done instantly. Let me show you. How you like that? I can just finish it that fast, you know? Ain't nothing but a thing. Anyways, let's keep going. Okay, it's getting dark outside, but I'm gonna keep going and attach this and then call it a day. So let's get to attaching so we can call this quits. All right, I got the kits ready to go. Let's attach it. And we can finally end this thing, boy. Let's do it. So this piece right here, I attached it on with a bolt. If you can see right there. Just gives it better fitment. Without it, it'll look really gapped and off. It doesn't look good. Can't wait to get an original Liberty Walk piece. That'd be nice. All right, so the first piece is attached. It's looking pretty freaking good, if I were to say myself. The only thing though is this right here, which needs to be put down like that, which I'm gonna have to attach it from the bottom later, which will not be in this video because I am tired and I do not want to make the video any longer than it needs to be. As for the front, we got two pieces here and we're gonna put them on right here. I have the bumper temporarily attached and I don't want to make any permanent attachments right now. And that's mainly because I want to tint the headlights, so the bumper's got to come off and everything, so I don't want anything permanent right now. So we're just gonna make a temporary attachment of the kit right now, and then we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna take it off later. All right. The car is finally done. Well, I guess the body kit part is. It's almost done. Not yet though, not yet. Let me quickly show you what I did, what we've done, all that garbage, and then end the video. And then hopefully for the next video, we'll actually finally finish it. So let me show you what I got. All right, as you can see, we obviously just attached the body kit. We wrapped it and attached it. And over here, the fitment's not great, but that's because I haven't tightened this up yet. Once I tighten it up, the fitment will be better, which is fine. Like I said, I'm gonna take this bumper off later so I can tint the headlights. First, I gotta make the eyelid black and then tint over it. So we'll do that maybe for the next video. And then I attach this kit as well. This part down here needs to be screwed down as well, so I'll do that later as well. And down here, as I showed you before. And we attach this rear piece right here for the rear bumper. And I went ahead and did the other side as well, as you can see right there and right there. As you can see, the fitment over here is not great either, but like I said, it will get better once I attach everything together. But that's essentially what the car looks like. And there's a lot of fingerprints on there, unfortunately. I'm not exactly sure how much I'm gonna be liking black. As you can see, the car is already extremely dirty. I mean, yeah, sure, it's been sitting here for a little bit, but that's a lot of dust. The first thing I gotta do when I finish the car is wash it, which is kind of annoying. It's gonna be a lot of washing for this car. Not exactly sure how long I'm gonna be keeping this black. I might be changing it again later down the line, but I do it every year anyway, so it doesn't really matter to me. Okay, so that being said, I'm gonna end the video here. What I want to do next time is attach the hood vents, make the eyelid black and then tint the headlight. Black out the side mirrors, attach the side mirrors, and then there's also the shark fin as well. I actually haven't attached the shark fin in a while, didn't really care to, but I'm gonna do that now. And yeah, so some of it I might just pre-wrap and then show me attaching. I don't know exactly what I want to do. I don't want to make these videos too long, and I'm gonna go ahead and guess this video is long as well. So that kind of sucks, but it is what it is. But as always, I just want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time.